Do something.
No, don't eat the camera. Don't eat the camera.
Your fuzzies.
Let her run around.
This is Lydia.
No, don't jump. You got too many ouchies.
She always falls down.
Baby Dolly, you see something?
And this is her twin sister, Dolly.
Hey? Oh my goodness. You see something? Look, you're babies. Yes.
Look at that.
Hey, oh my goodness, Lydia.
Catherine, look at that.
What is it? Look at these babies.
Look how fast she's going. She's flying.
What do you see? Do you see Mommy? She can fly. She can fly. She can fly.
Dolly. Lydia. Dolly.
I think she'll be
Lydia. Lydia's a fuzzy, and she has thick hair. And Dolly's not.
Hey.
She's skinnier too. She's
Oh,
skinny. And she has just a line down her back, and she likes cameras.
Go up in the hill.
And Lydia's really fuzzy,
She's like looking
and
around.
she's camera shy.
Look, she sees that I'm not chasing her.
No,
and
Buzz
she
Buzz,
keeps
down.
stopping.